my name is what? My name is who? My name is Joey. Welcome to the vlog. Best comment. Remember me when you will be famous. Yeah! So yeah, let's see what I have for you guys for this week. Yeah, and today is actually the day that we're going moving. Today is the day. The day that I'm finally moving on from the place where it all started. I have to grab all of my most and only the uppermost important things to come along with me. It is time to finally let go of what has been and to move on to what will come. My name is Joey and I am moving. Whoa, edit Joey, what are you doing? I'm making a sick montage as if I'm moving? Yeah, with me, Rich Joey. Yeah, with him. Jerk. No, that is clickbait, you shouldn't do that. Who cares if it's clickbait? If it's a good video, it's okay. No, anyways, it's Saturday and we're here now on our little vacation. Today, yeah, it is kinda wet snowing. It is not that nice outside. But we had some peanuts and we laid them outside. And a lot of squirrels came and a lot of birds and it was just amazing. I took so many pictures, a bit of video and it looked so cool. So today we're not gonna do that much and tomorrow we're really gonna go out to some... What are they called again? Megalith. Megaliths, I believe they're called in English. It's really a hard name, but anyways, I'll explain tomorrow. See you then. But now a montage of swimming. And this is my new house. Look, this is where I'm going to live, number 142. Okay, just kidding. I will stop with all that stuff. Anyways, today we're going to the megaliths. And to explain what they are, these are stone structures. They're stone burial structures actually. They kind of fall into the same category as Stonehenge. But so, these are just like Stonehenge. People don't know how they made them. They are just rocks stacked on top of each other and no one knows how they were made. So they occur in the Netherlands, northern Germany, all throughout Denmark and also a bit in Sweden. So in the world they're actually pretty a unique thing. But now we're gonna go to them and see how they are. Right, so according to this sign, the megaliths are that way, but we're gonna go that way. Alright, here we are. As you can see, just like Stonehenge, these are just huge rocks stacked on top of each other. They kinda act like a gateway towards the tomb area, I guess. So as you might be able to see in this one, I'm now in the down area over here. They kind of made a gate to really show as how it was. Of course in the past the gate wasn't there and probably this was all sealed up. But this is where the dead were buried back then. And I don't know how big the people were back then, but this is pretty small. Alright, now we're here at megalith spot 2. It is really, I just can't pronounce it. Especially the whatever it's called, plural of it. Megaliths. No. But this is called a long grave apparently, and it is, yeah, exactly what it is. Really a creative name. It is a long grave. But really, somehow people put all these stones here together, stack them on top of each other, and no one knows how. So yeah, it's quite an impressive sight to see. Anyways, let's go to the third one. Look, it's a mammoth. A mammoth. 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 Just like megalith. Mammoth. And speaking about megaliths, here is supposed to be the biggest one, and despite how big it is, I can't seem to find it. Anyways, over here you have a couple things like burger, I guess that's where we are right now. Then hamburger somewhere over here. This is Denmark, this is Sweden and Norway. And I've no idea what this all means. I wanted to be smart, but I have no idea. Anyways, this describes how all those stones got here. With all the ice, all the land ice in the last ice age, all the stones got pushed downwards and into the Netherlands over here. So yeah, that's kind of interesting to know. And so yeah, that is how all of these snowy stones got here. So most of the stones over here, my brother's throwing snow at me. Anyways, I wanted to say something interesting. Most of the stones over here have a sign with them and the sign describes where it comes from. So now it is over here, as you can see where we are, and it comes from somewhere around this area. And so as you can see over here with the stones next to it, once again this is where we are, and this is around where the stones come from. So that's really interesting to see. So alright, on this side standing behind me is supposed to be the biggest megalith in the Netherlands. Probably there are bigger ones in Denmark and Sweden. But this is supposed to be the biggest one in the Netherlands, and it's actually quite big. As you can see, also the stones on top of there are super heavy, super huge. It's incredible. And I can't imagine what an effort it took to get them on top of each other. Anyways, we're just gonna go home and see what happens. Alright, so we went to the swimming pool and now it's just time to clean everything up, to pack all our stuff. As you can see, everything is as it was before. It's already getting quite dark outside. So we're gonna grab all our stuff and then it's time to watch a movie for 2 hours and all of a sudden be teleported to home. So, I might see you tomorrow. Hey look, the houses are pretending to be ghosts. Doesn't work, house. I know what you under there. Well, isn't this oddly satisfying? Look how perfectly that's cut along the lines. So this might act as a little bit of a behind the scenes, because I'm walking back from the bit I did where I'm moving. Actually, I can see the house over there. Is that one? But yeah, so on the moment I'm walking back to the house. It is really, really cold. So for this vlog, I think that's all I have for you guys. So I hope you've enjoyed and don't forget to have fun.
And it goes a little something like this.